I've, I've just written a new song about my dog, and did you want to sing anything about that?
No, this is not my cup of tea. Nothing to do with it. I will turn the page, that's all.
Here we go. Well, I have a dog called Naked, and I walk naked down the street. The people who see him think that he's pretty neat. Well, I have a dog called Naked, and I walk naked down the street. And all the people stop and stare. They say, eek, eek, eek. Well, I walked naked down the street one day, and a cop stopped me and said, hey, 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 why you walking naked down the street? You need a collar to be complete. So please no naked on the street without a collar. No naked on the street without a collar. I said, yes, please. My other dog is called Shark, and sometimes we frolic in the park, and often he runs away to the beach, into the water. I go to call him, and I say, Shark, 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 and all the people
Leave the water.
I call my dog on the